Beginner's tutorial for Google Workspace. How Google Workspace operates in 2021. Today, I will be telling you about different products, the pricing of Google Workspace, and the sign up process for Google Workspace. So let's start. First, we have different products that Google Workspace is offering. Now, in Google Workspace, there are literally lots of cool features that you can avail that you had not found anywhere else in one workspace. For example, the business email or different documents or different meeting apps and drive and calendars and much more. So up first we have Gmail. Now in Google Workspace, you can create your own business email, which is amazing. So you can create a secure business email on your Google Workspace, and you don't have to go and create different business email and go through that process of creating an email again and again and everything. So you will get, and it actually looks good. Your professional business email is required in many apps or softwares, and it will be good for your workspace when you will be working as a manager or a team member. Then you can simply go ahead and create your own business email within your Google Workspace. Now, honestly, this is one of my favorite features that Google Workspace is offering. Then we have documents, of course, that you can go ahead and add any type of documents that you want to on your Google Workspace. It's providing you a secure workspace to work and avail all the documents or different articles or blogs, that whatever you want to add on your Google Workspace. Most of the websites do not offer the document feature which Google Workspace is offering. Then let me take you to Meet real quick. You can see that you have a Meet option right here, which is called Google Meet. And in Google Meet, you can secure video meetings for teams and businesses. Look how cool it is. Like, you don't have to download Zoom or any Skype or any other different software or website to conduct your meetings. You can go ahead and create a Google Workspace, and in your Google Workspace you will have Google Meet, where you will be able to conduct your conferences or different meetings whenever you want to. You'll just simply go ahead and create your team and then conduct meetings on Google Meet. It will really save your time and your pricing as well, because most of the meeting apps will also charge you. After that, we got the Drive option. Of course, we all know Google provides the Drive option. And then we have Calendar, and then there are Sheets, Slides, and Chat. If we go to, you are also getting a Inbox option, of course, for the chats, and you can go ahead and direct message someone or create a business group and do different chat right here within the Google Workspace. That's what the interesting thing is about, that you're getting everything within your Google Workspace. You don't have to go ahead and create anything separately. So you can just go ahead and avail all these features in Google Workspace. Then let's jump to pricing real quick, because I'm telling you about Google Workspace and you must be wondering that how much this is going to charge you. So you can see that you choose your edition, try it free for 14 days. So you will be getting 14 free days to try any of the plan that you are selecting. You can see business starter plan. It is $6 per user per month. It is providing custom and secure business email, 100 participant video meetings, 30 GB cloud storage, security and management control, standard support. And then there is business standard, which is $12 per hour, which is providing custom and secure email, and then 2 TB cloud, security management, and standard. And then of course the business plan, which is $18 per user per month, and it is providing a lot of cool features as well. For example, attendance tracking, 5 TB cloud storage per user, and then enhanced security and standard support. And then there is enterprise. Of course, you can see that different things are given compared right here. The business email is given in all of the plans, which is amazing. You can create your custom email in any of these plans. Then there is Meet video and voice conferencing, and it has like different counting for participants. For example, in the business starter you will get 100, in business standard you will get 150, in business plus you will get 250, and then enterprise you will get 250. So you can go ahead and compare all these prices and check out that which plan suits you. You don't have to go over the board, or if it's not in your budget, you can just go ahead and select any of the plan that you want to right here. Once you do that, for example, I go with this one. So I will just simply go ahead and get started. Once I click on this, we will be directed to sign up for our Google Workspace. So they're asking me to give my business name. I'll just go with how to digital, or let's go with explain these socials. Number of employees including you. So for now I'm just gonna say just you because I'll be using this for me, but you get the point. You can choose whatever you want to. Next. After that, what's your contact info? So you have to add your first name, last name, and your current email address. It could be anything. Then go ahead and click on next. After that, does your business have a domain? You'll need a domain like example.com to set up an email on Google Workspace. Now, if you have a domain, then you can go ahead and say, yes, I have one. Now, I will tell you that if you do not have, what will you have to do? So no, I need one. When you will click here, they will actually let you create your own domain, and you can search domain names. For example, I want my domain name to be, so they're saying that these are available. If I go with explain the socials.info, so they'll check this out for me, and yes, it's created. You can see that the domain you want is available. Now this is what my domain will be, explain the socials.info. Great. After that, so let me tell you, you'll use this domain to set up Google Workspace, and then you'll be able to purchase the explain the socials.info after creating your Google Workspace. So I will actually have this domain officially. After that, enter your business information. Now here you have to enter your different business information. Go ahead and do that. Then select on next. So after that, they're saying set up to date, will send you occasional emails. So I don't want that for now. So I will just say no, thanks. After that, educate your user, will send you user information. No, thanks. Now they're asking how you'll sign in. Use your username to sign into your Google Workspace account and create your business email address. Now I will type a name right here. So if I go with Alexa, then my workspace will be Alexa at explain the social.info. Now this looks good if I am working and I have different team members. So I can just, every team member can have their own domain like this. You can simply go ahead and type your name here. Or if you had a company, for example, HTML, then you can go ahead and type that or anything you want to. For now, I'm going with this. After that, you have to set a password. Great. Yes, I am not a robot. Once you click on that, agree and continue. Now, guys, you can see that this is my sign up, and you can see that this is my email that has been created, which is Alexa at explain the socials.info. Now, this is my business email for this. I'm just gonna simply go ahead and add on next. Once you do that, we will be able to sign in after we enter our password. Once you verify everything, now you have to review your payment plan. Like for example, I chose the flexible plan, and now they're asking me to review the payment information. So now I'm just gonna leave it here, because now all you have to do is just click on next, and you will add your credit card number or your debit card, and then they will let you into your Google Workspace. Now I will not create this because I already have a Google Workspace, so I'm gonna leave it right here. But there's nothing left to do. When you will log into your Google Workspace, you will get all of these products and different apps that you can see within this. After that, let me show you around the solutions that they have for you in Google Workspace. For example, for individuals, there is a Google Workspace individual program, and then for business, you can go ahead and they have different businesses. For example, a small business productivity tools, and then there are tools for new businesses, and then there is Google Workspace Enterprise. So you can go ahead and check this out as well. And then we can go to resources right here. If we go to resources, so in resources, you will get working remotely, security, customer stories, blog partners, FAQs, and different things right here. So yeah, this was just a beginner's tutorial on how to sign up for Google Workspace. Go ahead and try Google Workspace. It's awesome. You will get many cool features within your Google Workspace. So yeah, go ahead and make your Google Workspace and create awesome business of your own. I hope I was a big help to you. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.